Drop D coming, drop D coming, drop D coming.
Push it to the freedom that's gonna make you get up out your seat.
Oh, yo, man, you know, mi casa, su casa, bro. Oh. Hey, pass my phone. Appreciate it. Yo. I got a package. It's from the crib?
Questa è la musica di Rob Rachmaninov. Ascoltala.
Yeah.
Oh,
Jay the Sneaker Guy.
what is good? What is going on with y'all, man? It is your boy JayTheSneakerGuy back with a very special video today, man. Look, man, all the way from the crib, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Y'all seen the intro. We do have a first look of the Jordan 3 Soulfly, y'all. This shoe is set to be releasing the weekend of Art Basel out in Miami, Florida. And I don't have a specific date to say because, I mean, it can release on the 4th, the 5th, the 6th. I mean, sometime during Art Basel weekend, man, this shoe will be releasing. And it is in high demand, y'all. If you guys know, there was some speculation circulating around this shoe. We ain't even gonna get into it. If you know, you know. But this pair right here did come directly from Soulfly. Shout out to Chino and Verb, man, for making this happen, man, and blessing me with this opportunity, man. So we do have a first look courtesy of Soul. And yeah, man, your boy Jay is stoked, man. You can see, look, I came ready for this one, man. I got my Soulfly tee on. You know what I'm saying? I came ready for this one, man. If you guys want any tees such as this one isn't part of the Soulfly 3 collab, but it will go perfectly with the Soulfly 3s. They do have tees such as this and other items available over on their website. 30% off right now, man. I'm giving y'all a gem. Black Friday going on over at Soulfly, man. So take advantage. All you gotta do is put in the promo code THANKS30 and you can get 30% off on a lot of items over at Soulfly, man. So definitely tap in, take advantage. Your boy Jay got in on that sale, so I did get a couple things. And like I said, this isn't a part of the merch for the shoes, but if you want to get some things that match with it, and if you have any other Soulfly things that you want to match up with, y'all, they do have a lot of different things on sale over there, man. So tap in. I will link the promo code and stuff down below in the description. But yes, man, thank you Soulfly, man. Let's see what they sent your boy Jay all the way from the crib, man. Appreciate that, my boy. Bang, man. So yes, sir, the package has landed, and I've been waiting so patiently for this package to arrive, man. When I sent, you know what I'm saying, the email pop up, bro, I couldn't believe my eyes, man. It was like, hey, man, do you want a pair of Soulfly 3s, you know? And I couldn't believe it, bro. I was like, you know I do, man. So I did get my email confirmation, and tracking just kept updating for your boy Jay, and I was just couldn't believe it, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's why I tell y'all, look, man, y'all put out good energy in the world, man. Y'all stay positive. Always know, bro, you get out what you put in, man. So hey, you do good by people, good blessings come to you. If you guys remember, man, a lot of y'all might not even know this, y'all. I did a Black Friday sale last week, y'all, where I gave a retail pair of Gamma 11s. You know, I did a pair of Lost and Founds for $190. Like, I blessed a few people. Like I said, it's just me, so I can't bless everyone, but I blessed a few people, and I'm sure they are appreciative of it. And just like that, bro, look, my blessing came right back to me, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, I'm blessed and honored again to be able to unbox them Soulfly Miami things, man. So this shoe right here is called the Jordan 3 Soulfly Fruits of Your Labor. And look at this, y'all. Look at this, man. They got my name on the box, man. Shout out to Soulfly. You know what I'm saying? So they did put my name on the box, man. Jay written right there in that good old size mine. So taking a look at the box, as you can see, does have the orange box. You do have the Soulfly Miami and the Jumpman logo on the top of the box lid. On the box cover, you do have the FF, of course, Soulfly with the Florida State right there on the side as well, man. But yes, man, size tag does read Air Jordan 3 Retro OGSP. Color blocking is Sail Gorge Green. Now, when we pop off the box lid, man, whew, 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 we are greeted by, of course, the orange glossy box lid. It does have a, what is that, a white sticker in there, the ABC sticker, y'all know what sticker that is. I've been showing that to y'all quite a bit. It does come with the ABC sticker right there on the top of the box lid. Now, paper on the interior has the green. That's like a Christmas green, bro. You got that green, of course, paper with the Soulfly Miami logo that's on the top of the box lid. When we open it up some more, we do get something we have got with previous Soulflies, man. So last year, if you guys recall, we did get the release of the Jordan 12 Soulfly Cafecito, in which your boy Jay was in Miami for that release. I went down there and picked up my pair. It was a dope experience, and I think I might be back in Miami for the release of these, y'all, because I need 2 of these, bro. Mandatory. I need 2 of these, man. So hey, do not be shocked if you see your boy Jay in Miami Art Basel weekend, you know what I'm saying? But this pair does come with a dust bag, just like the Jordan 12s did. This time, however, it is a Sail. You get a Sail dust bag. You got the Soulfly Miami logo on this one. Got the orange drawstrings on there, man. But you do get a dust bag with this pair as well. And it is time for the kicks, y'all. So as you can see in here, y'all, the shoes do come individually wrapped up, y'all. So shoes will come individually wrapped up. Real quick, y'all know I gotta show y'all all the details, man. It does come with white and green sticker as well as your ABC sticker on the inside of the box as well, y'all. So let's unwrap them and let's take a look at these Soulfly Miami 3s, man. And like I said, man, once again, bro, big shout out to Soulfly for allowing me to get a pair of these early, man. Like, hey, man, honored, bro. And these, bruh. Hold on. We got to do it, y'all. Tenderism. Yes, sir. Bang, bruh. Do you see it? Do you see that material, y'all? First things first, let it simmer, man. Hey, man. Shout out to Soulfly, bro. Big shout out to Soulfly. Y'all killed this one, bro. Like, this one has Miami written all over it, man. Of course, the University of Miami colors all throughout this shoe. And this isn't no ordinary Jordan 3, bro. I don't know where they got this leather from. Like, when I tell y'all, see, I might gotta show y'all better than I can tell y'all. When I tell y'all, the leather on this shoe reminds me of the OG shattered backboard leather. I am not lying to y'all, bro. Not at all, bro. This leather on this shoe, like I said, bro, they've been hiding it, bro. I don't know what Soulfly went, who they talked to get this type of leather put on the shoe, but this leather is that leather, man. I don't know if I've ever seen any Jordan 3s with this type of detailed leather on it, man, but it's that leather that y'all gonna be like, bruh, yeah, man. But the Soulfly 3 Miami fruits of your labor joints, man. These joints right here are a clean pair, and when I say that they clean, bro, it is very, very simplistic, which I'm a simplistic guy, bro. I just like, you know, just a clean looking, you know, I do like loud shoes too, don't get me wrong, you know what I'm saying, but there's like no in between with me. It's either got to be super crazy or it's got to be like very minimalistic, y'all, and this one does go along the lines of minimalistic. And take a look at it real quick, bro. It's crazy how we do have the hang tag on the front of the shoe on this shoe. You can kind of visualize, bro, just with the hang tag being on there, you can kind of visualize how this shoe would look with the orange laces in it. You know what I'm saying? You can kind of get the orange lace look from just looking at that tag on the front of the shoe. And on the note of orange laces, these do come with orange and green laces, y'all. So you will get both of those color laces. It does come in a lace bag, and on your right shoe as well, alongside the laces, you will get the notation things about the leather and just be careful. you know, it says the suede characteristics. Please be aware, the color contamination. Of course, they're talking about the back half of the shoe where you got that premium Soulfly logo, y'all. But dog, like, take a look at that leather, bruh. That leather is something else, man. Like, I don't know how or what to compare it to other than a shattered backboard, y'all. And I'm being so for real. Like, I got to do it, y'all. I got to do it. Bang! Okay, y'all. We got the OG. Nah, this ain't the new one, y'all. This is not the pair that released this year. This is the pair from what, 2016, I want to say. Yes, the shattered backboards. Y'all know the pair that's known for that immaculate leather. You know what I'm saying? So you see the leather right there on the side, how plush. Man, you gotta feel it to kind of understand just the leather from the original shattered backboards, y'all. But after having them in hand, bro, I might have was getting ahead of myself a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I might was a little ahead of myself, but I don't know, bro. It's very close. And let me take back me even saying I'm getting ahead of myself, bro. I might gotta stick to my statement, bro. It is very, very close. I'm feeling them together, bro. I'm feeling them. Of course, one is sail, one is white, but bruh, the leather is on the same level as shattered backboards. Like I said, bruh, hey, when you see these or feel these or get a pair in hand, y'all, and you own a pair of the OG shattered backboards, you are gonna know exactly what I'm talking about, y'all, because it just hit different, man. But we ain't talking about shadows, bro. Of course, the topic at hand is the Soulfly 3 Miamis. It does have the suede on the front, man. That nice Christmas green is what I want to call that, man. You got the same green on the back. These are just clean, bro. They're just clean, bro. Ain't no other way for me to put it, bro. Just super clean shoe. The tongue, you got more of that good leather on the tongue. Look at that, bro. Look at, I want to hit y'all with the tenderism again, y'all. Butter, man, pure butter on this whole shoe. On the tongue as well, on the back side, you do have some, of course, Miami stuff there. You got the Miami on the back of the tongue on the left shoe, and on the right shoe, you do get Sunshine State, man. So if you guys are not familiar, Florida, of course, is the Sunshine State, man. So you do have Miami, of course, Sunshine State on there, man. But yes, man, immaculate shoe, bro, and I ain't even talked about it. Y'all. The back tab, man, that Nike Air has such a premium look in that orange, man. They smack, bruh. And I am not hyping it up, bruh. This is a premium Jordan 3, and I think from the materials to just the simplicity and the colorway of this shoe, I feel like they nailed it, and they went for the look that they were going after, man. But y'all comment down below, what is y'all thoughts on the Jordan 3 Soulflies? Also, another hidden feature right there on the back tab. When you pull that down, you get Soulfly written in cursive, man. So right around those perforated holes, you got Soulfly written back there, man. So this is a automatic double up for your boy Jay, man. I'm telling y'all, no matter what I need to do, if I gotta pay resale, I am doubling up on these, y'all. So guaranteed double up for the year for your boy Jay, man. And this might land in my top 10 sneakers of the year, bro. No cap. Not even. It will 100% land in my top 10 sneakers of the year. But top 5 possibly, bro. Like, these go crazy, man. But yes, these will be releasing Art Basel Weekend Miami early December. Comment down below, cop pass, what y'all doing with these. And yes, man, I don't usually do on feet in first look videos, but I got to leave y'all with one for this video, man. So hey, make sure y'all thumbs it up. Again, man, I truly appreciate Soulfly for allowing me to get a pair early. That means more than you know what I'm saying? Like, hey, man, y'all keep grinding out there, keep it positive, and just know, bro, what you put in, you will get out, man. And I'm gonna leave y'all on that note. And y'all let me know down below in the comment section. Cop pass, Soulfly, Miami 3s. Yeah, bro. Let's throw them things on feet, man. I'm gonna get up with y'all. Y'all stay blessed. I'm up out of here. Peace.
Jay and Robert vibe, yeah. Poppin', we outside, yeah. Shout out to the tribe, yeah. Family down the ride, yeah. Keep receipts, heat on feet, repeat, cause we on fire, yeah. Flies in the building, baby, you ain't never lie, yeah. Jay and Robert vibe, yeah. Poppin', we outside, yeah. Shout out to the tribe, yeah. Family down the ride, yeah. Keep receipts, heat on feet, repeat, cause we on fire, yeah. Flies in the building, baby, you ain't never lie, yeah. I put fly kicks on me and put fly kicks on what I'm driving. Family tell them roll the carpet out cause we arriving. About to switch the drip and put some wings on my eyelids. Cause I stay so fly, I'm taking flight, I'm talking private. Jay a cool guy, but his kicks on foes. Flavor 101, don't try, it won't go. These are those, 1, 2, 3's are foes. We can drip it all if you woke, don't doze. Jay and Rob a vibe, yeah. Poppin', we outside, yeah. Shout out to the tribe, yeah. Family down the ride, yeah. Can't receive this heat on feet, repeat, cause we on fire, yeah. Flies in the building, baby, he ain't never lied, yeah. Jay and Rob a vibe, yeah. Poppin', we outside, yeah. Shout out to the tribe, yeah. Family down the ride, yeah. Can't receive this heat on feet, repeat, cause we on fire, yeah. Flies in the building, baby, he ain't never lied, yeah.